Today is Tuesday, September the 8th, and it is a great day to be a Charger. Please stand for the flag salute. Ready? Salute. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you are coming to school daily and also to your advisory on Wednesday. We want you here. You're important to us. Make sure, ladies and gentlemen, that you are doing your work. Here is an example of a student in Mrs. Brown's class. Take notice of those orange circles. Those orange circles right there, the ones in the box, are missing. Missing assignments mean that you are not learning what you need to, and therefore you will not be prepared for the upcoming assessments. Make sure you're doing your work daily, ladies and gentlemen, in all of your classes. Don't forget that tomorrow is, once again, RTI. This is our schedule for RTI. Make sure that you attend advisory first so you know which classes you need to be in. Thought for a week. Kind of staying on this focus of ambition and being ambitious, being that next Friday, not this upcoming Friday, but next Friday is the end of the marking period. Abby Wambach, who was a World Cup champion and two-time gold medalist in the Olympics, says, I think that in order to get better, you have to make goals. Whether you write them down or tell someone about them, it's important to set goals for yourself in order to achieve any kind of success. And by the way, if you've ever gotten a chance to see this play on YouTube, just look up Abby Wambach goal. It's pretty amazing. All right, so that's it for the day's bulletin. We are Chargers with Heart. We are honest, effective, ambitious, respectful, and thoughtful. So remember, people, wherever you go, whatever you do, be a Charger with Heart. Have a great day.